Hi, I'm Jessica Blake, and for my presentation, it's about technology, good or is it bad? For better or for worse, technology in the past 20 years, it has grown tremendously, but has it grown for the better or for the worst? Body and mind. You'd never think that using technology can affect you both physically and psychologically, but studies have shown that it does. It affects your sleeping, for starters. It's just hard for us to put down the devices when we're tired of it. Wake up in the middle of the night, turn over, check your phone. I do that. The connection to our computers may also make us feel lonely. A severe lack of human interaction can also cause depression. If most of our interactions with others take place online, we can also feel detached from society. Often our online buddies aren't really our buddies at all. Children. Kids who play video games on a regular basis and those who spend a large amount of time online don't get the same amount of physical activity. This is so true. Advances in technology mean that we are bound to our phones, whether on a TV, sofa, or with a mobile phone in our pocket. It often starts as a simple swipe through social media, easily turns into a rabbit hole with no end in sight. The more time we spend on YouTube and Instagram, the less time we spend on other things out there. This is very true. The world. How has technology changed the world in which we live in? When it comes to energy use and pollution, we use more money than we have in the past as society. Electronic devices obviously require electricity to work, which means that it costs more to make the most of all this technology. It also takes massive amount of energy to make all of these products, not to mention the huge problem of electronic waste due to devices that are no longer operating. Online. Due to people setting up fake accounts, online harassment has been a problem for years. You just can't be sure who you're talking to if you don't see them in person. This is why I do not do online dating. Individuals are being catfished or tricked into relationships with someone who pretends to be someone else. Very scary. The future. I wish kids today would experience what it was like for us when we were children. Get out of school, look forward to going outside, hanging out with your friends. Hopefully our generation can teach our kids' generation that there is so much more in the world that doesn't involve technology. Thank you so much. At the end, these are my references. It's the same of what I used on my essay. Thank you so much.